जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, मैं हूं डॉक्टर राहिल शहजाद और आप देख रहे हैं इस वक्त मेरा यूट्यूब और फेसबुक चैनल। जैसा कि पीपल्स यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मेडिकल हेल्थ एंड साइंसेज के अंदर आज 7वां कॉन्वोकेशन का इनेकाद किया गया है, जिसमें MS, MD, MBBS, डॉक्टर फार्मेसी, डॉक्टर फिजियोथेरापी और मुख्तलिफ जो शोबाजात हैं उनके अंदर डिग्रियां तकसीम की जाएगी, जिसमें गोल्ड मेडल, सिल्वर मेडल और एक आम डिग्री की तकसीम की जाएगी। हम आपको आज मौक़िफ़ दिखाएंगे, स्टूडेंट्स का भी, उनके वालिदैन का भी और तासुरात भी दिखाएंगे और तमाम कॉन्वोकेशन भी दिखाएंगे। हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए और चलिए कॉन्वोकेशन अटेंड करते हैं। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम।
कैसा महसूस करते
बहुत अच्छा फील कर रही हूँ।
हैं? कौन से बैच की थी?
मैं 2018-19 बैच
कहाँ से ताल्लुक रहे?
इधर नवाब शाह से।
नवाब शाह के। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम।
सर कैसा महसूस कर रही?
फर्स्ट क्लास। मेरी बेटी ने अभी MBBS की डिग्री दी है, बहुत खुशी हुई है। हम अपने फैमिली के साथ आए हैं और अपने शहर में इतना फर्स्ट क्लास अरेंजमेंट है और हम बहुत खुश हैं आज।
चलिए जी, अल्लाह ताला आप लोगों को कामयाब करे।
फिर
आपने क्या किया है?
मैंने MBBS
कौन से बैच से थी आप?
2018-19।
कैसा महसूस कर रही हैं? क्या खिदमत के लिए तैयार हैं?
जी बिल्कुल, और जॉब पर चल ही रही है मेरी।
अच्छा ये बताइए सर, आप माशाल्लाह मीडिया से भी ताल्लुक रखते हैं, आप हेड मास्टर भी रहे, आपकी बच्ची आज माशाल्लाह MBBS डॉक्टर कंप्लीट करके डिग्री मिल चुकी है, कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं?
डॉक्टर साहब बहुत शुक्रिया। मैं बहुत अच्छा महसूस कर रहा हूँ और मुझे बड़ी खुशी है कि मेरे बच्चों में आज ये मेरी फर्स्ट बेटी है और इसके बाद बेटा है, वो मेरान यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ रहा है। इसने आज अपनी डिग्री कंप्लीट कर ली है और इंशाल्लाह ताला मुझे ये बेहद खुशी है। किसी भी बात की ख्वाहिश होती है उसकी औलाद जो ना कामयाब हो जाए। अल्लाह ने मुझे इस काबिल किया कि मैंने इसको इस हद तक अल्लाह ने और मैंने हमने मदद करके यहाँ तक पहुँचा दिया। अब मेरे बेटे आए, वो इंशाल्लाह वो भी पास आउट हो जाएगा। हमारे लिए यही बहुत है
इंशाल्लाह सर। मैडम आप भी बताइए, आप भी टीचर है, टीचर रही हैं, दोनों टीचर की बेटी आज माशाल्लाह कामयाब हुई है।
जी मुझे बहुत खुशी है। ज़ाहिर मेहनत करिए तो देखिए बच्चे आगे बढ़े हैं ना,
जी जी बिल्कुल।
तो इसी तरह स्ट्रगल करते रहेंगे और आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे। और हम तो ज़ाहिर है बच्चों के लिए स्ट्रगल करते हैं, अब हर माँ बाप यही करते हैं।
अल्लाह ताला कामयाब करे जी। आप पीछे हो जाएं।
My profession with conscience, dignity and fear of God. The health of any patient will be my first consideration. I will respect the secrets which are confided in me. I will maintain by all the means in my power the honor and noble tradition of the medical profession. My colleagues will be my brother and sisters. I will not permit consideration of religion, nationality, race, party politics, social standings to intervene between my duty and my patient. I will maintain the utmost respect for human life from the time of conception, even under threat, and will not use my medical knowledge contrary to the laws of the humanity. I make these promises solemnly, freely, upon my honor. May Allah help me. Thank you.
Now, I will request Professor Dr. Mohammad Saleh Khasbeli, Pro Vice Chancellor, People's University of Medical and Health Sciences for Women, Shaheed Benazirabad, to come to the rostrum and present the candidates who did their graduation and post-graduation in highest academic position. Now the medals would be awarded to the first, second and third position in various disciplines of the medical and allied health sciences. Only those graduates will be called to receive the medals in their academic careers. Please, sir.
हाजी अली हसन साहब जिन खे वेलकम कयां थो ऐं असांजो जेको शेड्यूल प्रोग्राम आहे उनखे थोरो अमेंड कयो आहे ऐं हाजी साहब खे हिन यूनिवर्सिटी ऐं इदारे जे तरफ़ खां रिक्वेस्ट थो कयां त असांजे थैंक्स जो असांजे महिरबानी जो मैसेज जेको आहे हिस हाइनेस जेका आसिफ अली ज़रदारी साहब जिन खे असांजे महिरबानी जो मैसेज खणी वञनि छो त आसिफ अली ज़रदारी साहब असांखे डेंटिस्ट्री इंस्टीट्यूट ॾिनो आहे जेको नेक्स्ट साल खां असां शुरू कंदा आहियूं। इन में असांजे ॾियण वारो असांजो साईं प्रेसिडेंट पाकिस्तान आहे पर इन में असां हाजी साहब जूं काविशूं कॾहिं इदारो नथो विसारे सघूं। हाजी साहब जिन खे ॾाढी तकड़ आहे, हाजी साहब जिन ते जहाज़ तयारु आहे, उन करे हिकिड़ो मॉडल कयूं था उन स्टूडेंट जिन असांखे टॉप कयो आहे रिक्वेस्ट कयो आहे त उनखे पंहिंजे हथनि सां मेडल ॾिए त पोइ वधीक असांजी प्रोसेशन पंहिंजी हलंदी।
Thank you. Honorable Chief Guest, Haji Hasan, Professor Hassan Tariq, and Mad Vice Chancellor are here, and now I am going to announce the position holders to come on the stage to receive their meritorious and marvelous performance awards. So first of all, I will call final year MBBS student Juwaina Zulfikar Ali Kaim Khani to receive her gold medal. Then Dr. Amara Atiq, Dr. Atiq Ahmad Qureshi, Dr. Fariha, Dr. Sharif Ahmad, Dr. Aisha Lagari, Dr. Nisar Ahmad. Thank you, sir. Now I will request to state secretaries to continue their program as per schedule.
Now, I would like to invite a person who is employing his entire energies and genius capabilities in this university. The list of his accomplishments is too extensive. As a leader, an academician and administrator, our research scholar, he has a glorious record of acquiring great reverence, prestige and stardom from different education and research communities. Ladies and gentlemen, let me invite Honorable Vice Chancellor of People's University of Medical and Health Sciences for Women Shahid Benazirabad, Professor Dr. Gulshan Ali Mehman to come to the stage for welcome address and brief the University Development Report.
जी बेटा, as here I am your father, so I need your pin drop silence, please. मैं आपके इदारे को प्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ. Please kindly make a pin drop silence. औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. والرحمن الرحيم الملك القدوس السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار المتكبر الخالق الباري المصور الغفار القهار الوهاب الرزاق الفتاح العليم القابض الباسط الخافض الرافع المعز المذل والرحمن الرحيم. A very respected chief guest of this convocation, Professor Dr. S.M. Tariq Rafi, the Chairman, Sindh Higher Education Commission. The guest of honor, Mr. Moeeddin Siddiqui Saab, Secretary of the Higher Education Commission. Respected, our very dynamic and vibrant leader of the Nawab Shah, the Commissioner of the Shaheed Benazirabad. Respected Nadeem Ahmed Abay Saab. Our guide, our mentor, the chairman of the search committee, ex-search committee, Professor Dr. Abdul Qadir Saab, honorable members of the syndicate, learned deans and dignitaries, esteemed faculty, successful graduates, and proud parents, the print media and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. I really know not and cannot find a very suitable words to express this a very joyful moment of the today, what you might be feeling for. So there is a conflict in between my heart and mind, that what sort of the words may I choose to say. You are welcome and express your joy in front of every one of you. So thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, I am highly obliged and thankful to Professor Dr. S.M. Tariq, the Chairman of the Higher Education Commission, to grace this occasion. He is the paragon of the academia. He is the international intellectual. He is the living legend. So I really still find so good word to express his passion in higher education and healthcare, as his services are really commendable and his leadership has brought a positive change in higher education. We are really fortunate to have such a visionary chairman leading the way. My dear students, it is a moment of pride and prestige for all of us that our new grads are ready to reform the healthcare system with the modern tools of the technology. Indeed, I am also feeling cheerful and bright today because you are the result of the hard working of my faculty. Your success is the success of the college. Ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to share you a rich history of our institution in promoting the women empowerment. That the PMC was founded in 1974 with the noble vision of the Shaheed Zulfikar Ali Bhutto to provide the education exclusively for girls. While in 2010, the erstwhile college was elevated to the status of the medical university through the dedication and wisdom of Her Excellency Dr. Azla Fazl. Her leadership has been instrumental in advancing our mission in academics, excellence, gender equity within the field of medicine. We continue to honor the legacies of our foundation leaders, so our slogan is to educate women is to progress the nation. Ladies and gentlemen, now it's a pride and you are proud that this university is the largest women medical university in Pakistan and stand as the beacon of the academic excellence, offering a variety of many undergraduate and postgraduate degrees. When I joined here as a Vice Chancellor, there was the 14 or the 16 degrees imparted by this university. Now you cannot imagine that my university is awarding 70 different degrees and the different disciplines, right from the graduates, postgraduates, and the PhDs as well. This institution has produced about 15,000 graduates and 1,600 postgraduate in various disciplines of medicine and allied sciences.
I call upon the successful fortunate candidates to stand on their seats. And I request the Vice Chancellor to confer the degree to these candidates.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Vice Chancellor of People's University of Medical and Sciences, Shaheed Benazirabad, I admit all the candidates passed in degree and diploma program submitted by the Director of Post-Graduation or charged hereby to prove yourself worthy of this degree throughout your life.
The candidates now may take their seats now. Thank you very much.
Now, I again request Dr. Mohammad Saleh Paskeli, sir, please come to the rostrum and continue to present the award and medals in the various disciplines of the medical and allied health sciences.
Thank you. To continue with honoring and decorating the most meritorious students, now I will start from the Doctor of Physiotherapy and first position holder for Doctor of Physiotherapy is Bushra Malik, and I will request Honorable Vice Chancellor and Chief Guest Syed Hasan Tarkapi to step forward in front of the dais to decorate the meritorious students with medals. Bushra Malik, Dr. Mohammad Arif Malik to receive her gold medal. Javeria, Dr. Abdul Qadir Nizamani to receive silver medal for second position in DPT session 2018-19. Mahek Fatima, Dr. Shamsuddin Mehmood, third position DPT to collect her gold medal. Now is the time to call first three position holders of Form D session 2018-19, Doctor of Pharmacy, Mahvish, Dr. Hafiz Muhammad Ashraf Arai, first position holder for session 2018-19. Fatima Naimuddin Sheikh, second position holder in DPT, Form D. Mahnur Ali, Dr. Shaukat Ali Mughal, third position in Form D. Now the time for the decorating to the meritorious students of Bachelor of Science in Public Health, session 2019-20. Sania, Dr. Ejaz Ali Rahu. Sania, Dr. Ejaz Ali Rahu to Chief Post, first position, gold medal. Romaisa, Dr. Samuel Sahotra. Amna, Dr. Khudadno Sumro. Now it's time to receive gold medal by the meritorious students of Bachelor of Science in Nursing General BSN. Bushra Dr. Riaz Ahmad Arai. Kainat Awais Dr. Mohammad Awais Arai. Fatma Arshad daughter of Mohammad Arshad Mahar. The position holder of post RN Bakhtawar daughter of Mohammad Taqiyal Chandio. Now it's time to call the postgraduate position holders, but these are the gold medalists, and we have a very strict criteria that in all the parts, part 1, part 2, and practical, thesis defense, research work, as well as theory exams, if a candidate has aggregate of 70% or above, he is entitled to be awarded a gold medalist. So now I will call Dr. Muhammad Yahya Ilahi, son of Dr. Ilahi Baksumro, to receive this gold medal for being outstanding performer in MS Urology. Dr. Muhammad Yahya Ilahi. For gold medal in MS Ophthalmology, I will call Dr. Mushtaq Ali, son of Muhammad Harun Chandio, to receive his gold medal for being outstanding performer in MS Ophthalmology. Dr. Anas Raza, son of Raza Muhammad Sadar Mehman, for requested to come on the stage to receive his gold medal for outstanding performance in Master of Philosophy in the subject of anatomy. Dr. Zahira Yusuf, daughter of Muhammad Yusuf Mehman, to receive her gold medal for being outstanding performer in Master of Philosophy in subject of pharmacology. Dr. Rabel Bashir, daughter of Bashir Ahmad Sheikh, to receive her gold medal for being an outstanding performer in Master of Philosophy in the discipline of pathology. Dr. Aruj Ali, daughter of Muhammad Ali Qureshi, to receive her gold medal for being an outstanding performer in Master of Philosophy in subject of pathology. Now we will call Dr. Mahwish, daughter of Nuruddin Chandio. She is MPhil Community Medicine and excellent performer, to receive her gold medal. Dr. Khairunisa, daughter of Fakir Hussain Pathan, for receiving her gold medal in public health and Master of Science in Public Health. Dr. Hana Khair, daughter of Khair Mohammad Tunyo, MPhil Community Medicine. Shield, sir. Shield. अच्छा भाई, बाहर अच्छे भाई, उसमें मुझे पता। Thank you, sir. I would request distinguished chief guests and guests of honor to stand at the podium to receive shields.
Dr. Mohammad Azim, son of Abdul Rasul Board, MS ENT. Dr. Zahira Yusuf, daughter of Muhammad Yusuf Mehman, MPhil Pharmacology. Dr. Aftab Hussain, son of Amanat Khan Pathan, MS Public Health. Dr. Kashif Ali, son of Muhammad Musa Mastoi, MS Public Health. Dr. Abdul Wajid, son of Abdul Wahid Khan Bullo, MS Public Health. Dr. Rabel Bashir, MS Pathology. Dr. Aruj Ali, daughter of Muhammad Ali Qureshi, MS MPhil Pathology. Dr. Neil Kawal, daughter of Muhammad Iqbal Halepoto, MS Urology. Dr. Asudullah, son of Muhammad Saleh Bhut, MS Urology. Dr. Sania Sarish Haider, daughter of Ghulam Haider, MD Peds. Dr. Saika Binish Haider, daughter of Ghulam Haider Yusuf Shahi, MS Urology. MS Urology. Dr. Khair Nisa, daughter of Fakir Hussain Pathan, MS Public Health. Dr. Mavish, daughter of Noordin Chandio, MPhil Community Medicine. Dr. Moshin, daughter of Muhammad Hanif Rathod, MPhil Community Medicine. Dr. Hana Khair, daughter of Khair Muhammad Unio, MPhil Community Medicine. Dr. Jairam, son of Lalchand Advani, MS Ophthalmology. Miss Shaista, daughter of Muhammad Sharif Saito, MS Public Health. Dr. Saddam Hussain, son of Haji Meet Muhammad Jiran Baloch, MD Medicine. Dr. Khadija Parveen, daughter of Nehmatullah Khoso, MD Medicine. Dr. Amjad Ali Bhatti, son of Abdullah Bhatti, MPhil Biochemistry. Dr. Ghulam Akbar, son of Allah Ditto Zardari, Master in Public Health. Dr. Anas Raza, son of Raza Muhammad, MPhil Anatomy. Dr. Samina, daughter of Abdul Rashid Mehman, MPhil Anatomy. Dr. Uzma Ilyas, daughter of Muhammad Ilyas Sumuro, MPhil Anatomy. Dr. Saima, daughter of Haji Aladino Chandio, MS Gynae. Dr. Anam Sheikh, daughter of Ayaz Muhammad, MS General Surgery. Dr. Anand Shah, daughter of Ayaz Mohammad Shah, MS General Surgery. Dr. Mahesh Iqbal, daughter of Muhammad Iqbal Zardari, MS Gynae. Dr. Sabah Faiz, daughter of Faiz Muhammad Sumuro, MS Public Health. Dr. Nusrat, daughter of Nazar Ahmed Baloch, MS Public Health. Dr. Nizamuddin, son of Abdullah Khan Board, MS Public Health. Dr. Rajkumar, son of Roopchand, MD Medicine. Dr. Afif Ayub, daughter of Muhammad Ayub Chandio, MD Cardiology. Dr. Mushtaq Ali, son of Muhammad Harun Chandio, MS Ophthalmology. Dr. Nargis Priya, daughter of Asghar Ali Jatoi, MPhil Pharmacology. Dr. Sabah Ali, daughter of Muhammad Asghar Ali, MPhil Pathology. Dr. Sabra Andar, daughter of Dr. Anwar Ali Bozdar, MS Gynae. Dr. Sandhya Kumari, daughter of Arjun Dev, MPhil Pathology. Dr. Shahzeen Fatma, Dr. of Syed Kambarni Shah, MPhil Pathology. Dr. Mujibur Rahman, son of Mohammad Saleh Bambro, MPhil Anatomy. Dr. Sasi, Dr. of Mohammad Ashraf Power, Diploma in Gynae. Dr. Mahdi Hassan, Diploma in Anesthesiology. Dr. Sheikh Shah Zaman Power, son of Amir Baksh Sheikh, Diploma in Ophthalmology. Dr. Norina, daughter of Haji Muhammad Idris Mirani, DMRD. Dr. Diksha, daughter of Darshan Ram, Diploma in Child Health. Dr. Faiza, daughter of Ghulam Qadir Deper, DMRD. Dr. Ahsan Khan, son of Mir Mohammad Kirio, Diploma in Anesthesiology. Dr. Hera Hanif, DMRD. Dr. Usman Ali, ENT. Dr. of Muhammad Abid, Alishba Abid, Rao Abid Ali Khan. Aliza, daughter of Amanda. Alvina, daughter of Muhammad Anwar. Amara, daughter of Mukhtar Ali. Amara Atiq Ahmed. Amara Kamal, daughter of Muhammad Naim.
Now I will request the respected Salim Zardari and respected Mir Mohammad Syal to come forward and Shehbaz Bari to have received the shields on behalf of the medal.
Anam, daughter of Fazlur Rahman. Anita Bai, daughter of Daulat Singh. Anita, daughter of Asha Ram. Anjali Bai, daughter of Kokarmal. Anju Araf, Hadan Khan Bodo, Anusha Ali, daughter of Musta Ali, Aksa, daughter of Ashik Hussain, Aksa, daughter of Maqsood Hussain, Aksa, daughter of Ajib Ali, Aksa Majid, daughter of Amjad Ali, Aksa Nawaz, daughter of Shah Nawaz, Aksa, daughter of Liaquat Ali, Ariba, daughter of Khalid Mahmood, Ariba Batul, daughter of Farooq Ahmad Dar, Ariba Nasir, daughter of Muhammad Nasir, Arij Reza, daughter of Ahmad Reza, Ariza, daughter of Abdul Qayyum, Arisha Aslam, daughter of Muhammad Aslam, Arisha Maluk, daughter of Muhammad Maluk, Asya Gulzar, daughter of Gulzar Hussain, Aska, daughter of Bashir Ahmad, Asma, daughter of Kamardeen, Asma, daughter of Ghulam Haider, Asma Mumtaz, daughter of Mumtaz Ali, Atika Irfan, daughter of Muhammad Irfan, Aisha Bakai, daughter of Adnan Aziz Bakai, Aska Liaquat, daughter of Laik, daughter of Laik Ali, Bakhtavar, daughter of Abdul Qayyum, Bakhtavar, daughter of Muhammad Yasin, Bhag Sharif, daughter of Dhyan Chand, Bhagwani Bai, daughter of Dharu Malik, Bhagwana Devi, daughter of Mahesh Kumar, Bibi Amna, daughter of Ahmad Ali Moriani, Bisma Fatma, daughter of Ghulam Mustafa, Bisma Khalid, daughter of Abdul Khalid, Bushra, daughter of Liaquat Ali, Dua, daughter of Mashuk Ali, Dua Rani, daughter of Shamsuddin, Durga Kumari, daughter of Tirath, Duryab Khan, daughter of Naimur Rahman Khan, Iram, daughter of Manzoor Ali, Faiza Atta, daughter of Atta Mohammad, Falak Naz, daughter of Abdul Wahid, Falak Naz, daughter of Fida Hussain, Farhana, daughter of Muhammad Azim, Farheen Arshad, daughter of Muhammad Arshad, Fariha, daughter of Maqbool Ahmed, Fariha, daughter of Muhammad Sharif, फसिया, डॉक्टर ऑफ मोहम्मद आजम फातिमा आजम, डॉक्टर ऑफ मोहम्मद आजम फातिमा साबिर, डॉक्टर ऑफ मोहम्मद साबिर फजीला, डॉक्टर ऑफ अब्दुल हुसैन फिजा, डॉक्टर ऑफ परवेज अहमद, फिजा अली, डॉक्टर ऑफ मोहम्मद अली, फिजा जीनत, डॉक्टर ऑफ फरीद अहमद, गौरी कुमारी, डॉक्टर ऑफ प्रेम कुमार, हफ्सा, डॉक्टर ऑफ अल्लाह बचाओ, हफ्सा कौसर, डॉक्टर ऑफ खुर्शीद अहमद, हलीमा, डॉक्टर ऑफ गदा हुसैन, हिना, डॉक्टर ऑफ गुलाम हुसैन, हिरा फातिमा, डॉक्टर ऑफ जाहिद हुसैन, हुमा तारिक, डॉक्टर ऑफ तारिक अजीज, मंजुला, इमदाद अली, इफ़त गुल, डॉक्टर ऑफ गुल मोहम्मद, ईमान, डॉक्टर कमरदीन, इंदिरा अरबाब, डॉक्टर ऑफ अरबाब अली, इरशा इम्तियाज, डॉक्टर ऑफ इम्तियाज राठौर, इकरा, डॉक्टर ऑफ हाजी मुजफ्फर अली, इकरा, डॉक्टर मोहम्मद इकबाल, इशरत इजहार, डॉक्टर ऑफ इजहार अहमद मीर, जन्नत मेमन, डॉक्टर ऑफ मुश्ताक अहमद, जवेदा नबी, डॉक्टर ऑफ गुलाम नबी, जिया जुगनू, डॉक्टर ऑफ संग्राम, ज्योतिष्मा, डॉक्टर ऑफ महेश, कायनात, डॉक्टर ऑफ शेरबाज, कायनात परवीन, डॉक्टर अली अकबर, ताजुल देवी, डॉक्टर ऑफ नंदलाल, नंद कुमार, कुलसुम, डॉक्टर ऑफ मोहम्मद अस्सी हनीफ, कुलसुम कादिर, डॉक्टर ऑफ गुलाम कादिर, कांता बाई, डॉक्टर ऑफ मोहन, कमल, डॉक्टर ऑफ नवाल राय, कमल जहरा, डॉक्टर ऑफ नजम अली, कशिश, डॉक्टर ऑफ वशु, खदीजा दुआ, डॉक्टर ऑफ शान मोहम्मद, हंसा, डॉक्टर ऑफ मोहम्मद इकबाल, खुर्शीदा बीबी, डॉक्टर ऑफ मामूर खान, किरण बीबी, डॉक्टर ऑफ किरण बीबी, डॉक्टर ऑफ सैयद मनोर हुसैन, किरण कुमारी, डॉक्टर ऑफ धनराज, कोमल, डॉक्टर ऑफ भगवान दास, पूर्ण जेसवानी, डॉक्टर ऑफ मुकेश कुमार, लाइबा अमीन, डॉक्टर ऑफ मोहम्मद अमीन, लाइबा खान, डॉक्टर ऑफ हामिद हुसैन, लाजवंती, डॉक्टर ऑफ प्रेमचंद, लाजवंती, डॉक्टर ऑफ टेकामल, लैलन नहार, डॉक्टर ऑफ शफकत खान, लारेब, डॉक्टर ऑफ गुलाम मुस्तफ़ा, लारेब गफूर, डॉक्टर ऑफ अब्दुल गफूर, लारेब नज़ीर, डॉक्टर नज़ीर अहमद, लारेब वाजिद, डॉक्टर ऑफ वाजिद अली, लिया, डॉक्टर ऑफ हसन भुरगड़ी, लुबना नबी, डॉक्टर ऑफ गुला नबी, महाम खालिद, डॉक्टर ऑफ खालिद नसीम, माहीन, डॉक्टर ऑफ हटनवाज, महक रानी, डॉक्टर ऑफ सुरेश कुमार, मायनूर, डॉक्टर ऑफ अवैस अहमद, मायनूर, डॉक्टर ऑफ सैयद मोहम्मद इफ्तार, मायरा, डॉक्टर ऑफ सादिक अली, मलिहा, डॉक्टर ऑफ मुमताज अली, मनाहिल अहमद, डॉक्टर ऑफ मजीद मैसर, मनाहिल, डॉक्टर ऑफ इफ्तिखार अहमद, मनीषा, डॉक्टर ऑफ कन्हैयालाल, मनीषा कुमारी, डॉक्टर ऑफ पहला अकमल, मायरा, डॉक्टर ऑफ नियाज मोहम्मद, मायरा बतूर, डॉक्टर ऑफ मुमताज हुसैन, मायरा खातून, डॉक्टर ऑफ खातून हुसैन, मरियम कौसर, डॉक्टर ऑफ मुजम्मिल हक, मालवी शाह, डॉक्टर ऑफ अमानुल्लाह शाह, मरियम, डॉक्टर ऑफ डॉक्टर नज़ीर अहमद, मरियम हामिद, डॉक्टर ऑफ हामिद हुसैन, मरियम, डॉक्टर ऑफ मोहम्मद अब्दुल रहीम, मैं डॉक्टर ऑफ मालिक दिनो, मैं बशीर, डॉक्टर ऑफ बशीर अहमद, मैं कुनो, डॉक्टर ऑफ अब्दुल रहमान, महरीन, डॉक्टर ऑफ मनोवर खान, महबूब सलीम, डॉक्टर ऑफ अब्दुल करीम मलिक, मैमूना, डॉक्टर ऑफ इशफाक अली, मैमूना, डॉक्टर ऑफ मोहम्मद तारिक, मोमिना, डॉक्टर ऑफ तनवीर अहमद, मोनिश्का, डॉक्टर ऑफ निरंजन लाल, मुस्कान, Doctor of Sudham Chand. Muskan, daughter of Bherulal. Nimra, daughter of Mohammad Shahid. Namarta, daughter of Shankar Lal. Narmin, daughter of Imtiaz Ali Shah. Nazia, daughter of Razak Dino. Neeta Kumari, daughter of Narumal. Neha, daughter of Suresh Kumar. Neha Bibi, Neha Bai, daughter of Manik Mal. Neha Rani, daughter of Meher Chand. Nimra Naeem, daughter of Mohammad Naeem. Nischal Kumari, daughter of Ashok Kumar. Nisha, daughter of Dilip Kumar. Noor and daughter of Amir Hayat. Nurul Ain, daughter of Muhammad Salim. Nurul Nisa, daughter of Nizam Jamal. Noshaba Iftikhar, daughter of Iftikhar Ali. Priya Bai, daughter of Sohan Lal. Kirat Naz, daughter of Muhammad Irfan. Quradul N, daughter of Muhammad Tariq. Rabia Sheikh, daughter of Rahmatullah Sheikh. Rahima Khan, daughter of Muhammad Salim. Ramsha Rajab, daughter of Rajab Khaskeli. Reshma, daughter of Karesh Kumar.
Now I will request the secretaries of stage, Dr. Sania and Dr. Shahida, to receive their seats.
Rufeda Mir, daughter of Muhammad Yusuf Mir. Sadia, daughter of Ali Nawaz. Sadia Rabel, daughter of Ghulam Yasin. Safia, daughter of Muhammad Harun. Saima, daughter of Mansoor Ahmed. Saira Maksi, daughter of Abdul Razak. Sakina, daughter of Reza Baksh. Sakshi, daughter of Harish Kumar. Sakshi Bai, daughter of Naranjan Kumar. Sakshi Rani, daughter of Mukesh Kumar. Samra Gul, daughter of Gul Sher. Sana Musafir, daughter of Musafir Manzoor. Sanam, daughter of Mumtaz Ahmed. Sanam Kumari, daughter of Santosh Kumar. Stanish, daughter of Abdul Hafiz. Sanogar, daughter of Ahmed Nawaz. Sabrina, daughter of Suresh Kumar. Savera, daughter of Mir Mohammed. Seema, daughter of Abdul Hakim. Seema Gul, daughter of Shaikhul Naseem. Sirat Fatma, daughter of Ejaz. Daughter of Lajwanti. Daughter Lajwanti, daughter of Premchand. Seema, daughter of Abdul Hakim. Seema Gul, Shaikhul Naseem. Sirat Fatma, Ejaz. Shabina, daughter of Abdul Majid. Shahnaz Aga Aftab Ahmed. Shahzana Fatma, daughter of Sayyid Inayat Ali. Shamza Qazi, Nisar Ahmed Qazi. Shifa Abdul Rasul. Shifa Fatma, daughter of Ghulam Ali Memon. Shumaila, daughter of Ranjo Khan. Sushmita, daughter of Mahesh Kumar. Simran, daughter of Pawan Kumar. Simran, daughter of Nanak Ram. Sitara, daughter of Saifuddin. Sonia, daughter of Shyam Sundar. Sonia, daughter of Mukesh Kumar. Sonia, daughter of Sharafuddin. daughter of Hadi Baksh, Sumbul Kareem, daughter of Abdul Kareem, Sumbul Modi, daughter of Bhagumal, Sumbul, daughter of Mohammad Sulaiman, Sumaira Shokat, daughter of Shokat Ali, Sumaira, daughter of Nek Muhammad, Sumaira, daughter of Mola Baksh, Sumaya Siddiqui, daughter of Tasawwur Hussain, Sunena Kumari, daughter of Vikram Kumar, Sushmita Bai, daughter of Ashok Kumar, Sayyida A. Mariam, daughter of Sayyid Atiq Ahmed, Sayyid Kazma, Sayyida Kazma, Sayyid Ishrat Hussain, Tania Batul, daughter of Mujahid Hussain, Tania Kumari, daughter of Anil Kumar,
बस हमारा भी प्रोग्राम इंशाल्लाह आपके पास
Toba, daughter of Muhammad Yusuf, Toba Sajid, daughter of Muhammad Sajid, Toba Yasin, daughter of Dr. Yasin Dawaj, Ummul Wara, daughter of Ghulam Rasul, Umaira, daughter of Muhammad Shafi, Umsa, daughter of Abdul Jalil, Urma Mushtaq, daughter of Mushtaq Hussain, Urud Safra, daughter of Safra Hussain, Uyaina, daughter of Zulfikar Ali, Uzma, daughter of Muhammad Ramzan, Varsha Kumari, daughter of Madan Lal, Vidya Bal, daughter of Jian Lal, Varisha Annam, daughter of Roida Khan, Zarafshan Mariam, daughter of Iqbal Ahmed, Zoha Fawad, daughter of Fawad Ahmed, Javeria, daughter of Kula Nabi, Zoha Fawad, daughter of Fawad Ahmed, Zoha Muhammad Rafiq, Zoha, daughter of Mumtaz Ali, Zoha Ishaq, daughter of Muhammad Ishaq, Aisha Rani, Nisar Ahmed Khan, Namarta, daughter of Shankar Lal, Aisha Rani, daughter of Nisar Ahmed Khan, Shanda Agha, daughter of Aftab Ahmed. Shanda Agha, daughter of Aftab Ahmed. Afsha Mariam. Daraksha Mariam. मुस्कान लोहाना, साक्षी डॉक्टर ऑफ हरेश कुमार, निशा रानी, नेहा रानी, साक्षी डॉक्टर ऑफ मुकेश कुमार, जोहर डॉक्टर ऑफ मोहम्मद रफी, डॉक्टर नूरुलैन, मोनिस्का डॉक्टर ऑफ नरेंद्र लाल, हेलो निशा, डॉक्टर काजोल, हेलो जोहा डॉक्टर ऑफ डॉक्टर फवाद, मैक बशीर डॉक्टर ऑफ बशीर अहमद, आतिका इरफान डॉक्टर ऑफ इरफान अहमद, सनम जतोई डॉक्टर ऑफ मुमताज जतोई,
बड़ा माल आ रहा
तुम्हारे पास है ना यार।
हमारे जो मीडिया के मेहरबान हैं, उसके प्रेसिडेंट को हम कोई 40 बैग्स देंगे हमारे सोविनियर की, जो इधर बैठे हैं। तो हमारा खाने के बाद हमारे ऑफिस से वो रिसीव करेंगे, जो हमारे मीडिया वाले जो अवेलेबल हैं वो लेंगे, बाकी अपने प्रेस क्लब पे लेके जाएंगे, हमारे तरफ से सोविनियर ले जाएंगे। मैं आपका बड़ा मशकूर हूँ, शुक्रगुजार हूँ मीडिया। sheet on the behalf of Madam Aryal Talbatsari.
Sirat Fatma, daughter of Ejaz Ahmed Chandiu. Afzal Ashari, daughter of Allah Bachai Chandiu. Allah Bachai Ashari. Simran, daughter of Pawan Kumar. Nischal Kumari. Samra Gul, daughter of Gulsher. Now it's a turn of graduates of Doctor of Physical Therapy. I will call the names with the father's name, Aisha Rashid, daughter of Muhammad Rashid. Yushna Malik, daughter of Muhammad Arif. Ekta Chawla, daughter of Ajit Kumar. Faiza Rahman, daughter of Shafiqur Rahman. Fakhrun Nisa, daughter of Ghulam Murtaza Chandar. Faryad, daughter of Fayaz Sen. Huma Bukhari, daughter of Ahmad Ali Shah. Ikra, daughter of Muhammad Dawood. Javeria, daughter of Abdul Qadir. Kajal, daughter of Chandar Kumar. Khair Musa, daughter of Muhammad Fana. Kunsa, daughter of Muhammad Isa. Mavish, daughter of Inayatullah.
मेरे पास ही आएंगे
Maria, daughter of Muhammad Mohsin.
आओ आएंगे
आप पीछे हो जाएं।